How to delete any photo you are tagged in on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete any photo you are tagged in on your Facebook account. Now, where do you find your tagged photos? If you open up your Facebook and log into your account, you'll get an interface like this. Now what you want to do is tap on the profile icon on the left hand side of your screen. And on your profile, if you scroll down below, you can see someone has recently tagged me on a picture. Now I basically did this to show you tutorial. Now you can see if they have tagged me here. If you open up the picture and if you tap on the tag icon on the right hand side of your screen, you'll see anyone that has been tagged here and you'll get the option to tag others right here. Thing here is, if you tap on the three dots here, you can see there is an option to save to phone, there is an option to share external, there is an option to send in messenger and to report photo, but there is no option to delete a photo. So basically what this means is that you can't delete a photo that you haven't uploaded on Facebook. Now if someone else uploads a photo and they tag you in it, there is no any option on Facebook that you can delete it. But what you can do is remove the tag yourself, the tag that you have got. Now you can tap on the three dots on the post right here and then you can see the option here, remove tag. Now tap on it and then tap on confirm and then the tag will be removed. However, if you don't want the photo appearing on Facebook for anyone else to see, then what you can do is tap on three dots and you can report the post. Now if you report the post and then you can say that someone tagged me on a picture that I don't want to be tagged in, or someone uploaded my picture without my consent, and then submit report, and the picture will be taken down by Facebook after reviewing it. So, but to remove a tag, you can just simply tap on three dots option and then tap on remove tag and tap on confirm, and you can see that the post has been removed and it's not appearing on my timeline anymore. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.